Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today, I will be collaborating again with Smoking and Grilling with AB. It's one of my favorite YouTube channels, so after taking a look at this video, head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB and see what he's cooking up for Soul Food Sunday. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Today, I'll be making cubed steak and mashed potatoes. You will need 1 pound of cubed steak, 3 cups of beef broth, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 large white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1½ teaspoons of black pepper. For the mashed potatoes, you'll need 3 pounds of gold potatoes, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 5.2 ounce package of Boursin garlic and herb cheese, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 2½ teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. To make the potatoes, add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water and bring the water to a boil. Now add your potatoes and allow them to cook for 30 minutes or until they're easily pierced by a fork. After the potatoes are done, turn off the heat and drain the water. Now mash the potatoes. Add the butter and cheese and mix well. Now add the milk, heavy cream, and season with your salt and pepper. Mix well, then set it aside until later. Using 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, generously season the steaks on both sides. In a dish, add the flour and the rest of your salt and pepper and mix well. Now coat the steaks with the flour and then place them on a wire rack. Add your oil to the frying pan and using medium-high heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now saute the onions for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove them from the pan and set them aside until later. Fry your steak for 4 minutes on each side, then remove them from the pan and set them aside until later. Now melt your butter. Now add the flour and mix to create a roux. Continue mixing until your flour darkens, then add your beef broth. Now season with the salt, pepper, and garlic powder and continue mixing. Reduce your heat to low, then return the onion and steak to the pan and allow it to simmer for 1 hour. Don't forget you can find more videos in this series by searching the hashtag #SoulFoodSunday. After 1 hour, your steak is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps make